It's Clint and Stacy once again reporting live from Cranbrook Dodge. Here we have Stacy in front of probably the most red truck I've ever seen.
Isn't it beautiful? Look at the hood. This is a 2016 Ram 1500 Sport. They've done a few extras to it. This is a manager's demo. So it's got a leveling kit, some fancy schmancy tires, crew cab of course. Check out the inside. It's got some nice red accents in here.
Very nice.
Trailer tow package, navigation, Bluetooth, 8-speed.
I do believe that this was the Tour Red edition.
Yeah.
So this was the this was the only way that you could get this color, was on this limited edition version of the Ram Sport right here.
Ton of space. You can hold a whole family in here.
Upgraded floor mats. So you got the nifty little compartments underneath as well.
Little ice box for you, for your juice. Box liner right from the factory. Power sliding rear window.
These wheels too actually are something that we did. This truck originally had the chrome ones, but we thought that the black ones looked pretty good, and they do.
6,000 kilometers only on this truck. You need to come down and take it for a drive.
Holy moly, I'd hurry if I were you.
Come down, ask for Clint or Stacy, and get yourself a good used truck.